Let's start with the aging research, because the timeline on this one is genuinely shocking. In 2012, Shinya Yamanaka won the Nobel Prize for discovering 4 genes, called Yamanaka factors, that can reprogram adult cells back into stem cells. This was groundbreaking because it meant you could theoretically take an old cell and make it young again. But the process was slow, inefficient, and the signals were weak. Cells didn't always understand the "become young again" command. Enter OpenAI and Retro Biosciences. They used a specialized AI model called GPT-4b Micro, trained specifically on biology, to design entirely new proteins that optimize these Yamanaka factors. Here are the results from lab experiments on cells from people aged 50 and over. Signal strength. The new AI-designed proteins produced rejuvenation signals 50 times stronger than the original factors. 50 times. That's not incremental improvement, that's an order of magnitude change. DNA repair. The proteins enhance the cell's ability to repair DNA damage, which is one of the primary causes of aging. Timeline. Day 7, over 30% of cells showing signs of rejuvenation. Day 12, cells visibly transforming into stem cells under microscope. Day 12, 85% of cells activating genes and behaving like young, reprogrammed stem cells. Let me give you my honest take on this. These are lab results on isolated cells, not a full organism. The jump from cells in a dish to humans living longer is enormous. There are safety concerns, cancer risks from cellular reprogramming, and 1,000 complications that will take years to solve. But the speed of progress is what's remarkable. We went from Nobel Prize-winning discovery in 2012 to AI designing proteins that are 50x better in 2025. That's 13 years, but most of the AI work happened in the last 2 to 3 years. If this trajectory continues, and that's a big if, we could see early clinical trials for targeted cellular rejuvenation therapies by 2028-2030. Not fountain of youth pills, but treatments for specific age-related conditions where cellular rejuvenation could help.